Before you can WhatsApp somebody on WhatsApp for the first time, you will need to save the person's contact first before you'll be able to go to the search bar to search for the person's contact to WhatsApp them. It's a long process. Will you be happy if I should teach you a very short and simple way you can WhatsApp people for the first time without saving their contacts? If you want to learn, do well to like this video and share it to friends for them to benefit as well. Ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified instantly. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section after watching it. So now you go to your WhatsApp. So after going to your WhatsApp, you search for a place you can do rough work. So you can search for your own self on your WhatsApp so that you can do your rough work. You can quickly search for your own WhatsApp number if you have saved your WhatsApp number. So you can search for, so I'm going to search for my own WhatsApp number. So I have it here. So here I can do all my rough work here. Yes. But if you cannot search for your own WhatsApp or yourself, what you need to do is to create a WhatsApp group. Maybe you can create a WhatsApp group and then name it as a rough work. So with that group, you will be the only person to be in that group. So any rough work, you can do it there. So quickly, let's go to create a new group. So I'm going to create a new group. Then you can add a random person in that group. After that, you can now remove that person from the group. So I'm going to add a random person in that group. So I'm adding the random person in the group. Then I'll name the group rough work. So in the rough work, you are the only person in that group. So you can do any rough work you want to do. So all you need to do is to just write the person's number. So after writing the person's number, then you send. So after sending, then you just click on the number. When you click on the number, it will redirect you to the person. You see chat with, then the number. Then you click on chat with the number. Then you start chatting with the person you want to chat with. Hello. Hi. So you can see I have not saved the number, but I'm chatting with the person. You can see. I want you to like this video to show me some love. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video.